Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize financial goals with Personal Capital, detailed guide. To begin optimizing your financial goals using Personal Capital, first, create an account on their website. Once your account is set up, log into the platform. Next, link all your financial accounts, including bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts. This will give you a comprehensive overview of your finances in one place. After linking your accounts, explore the dashboard feature. The dashboard provides insights into your net worth, cash flow, and investment performance. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various sections presented. Now, set specific financial goals within the platform. Consider goals such as retirement savings, buying a home, or paying off debt. Personal Capital will prompt you to enter target amounts and timelines for each goal. After entering your financial goals, examine the Retirement Planner tool. This feature helps you understand if you're on track for retirement based on your savings and lifestyle. Review your current savings rate and adjust it if necessary. Next, utilize the Investment Checkup tool. This tool analyzes your portfolio and recommends adjustments to reach your desired asset allocation. Pay close attention to fees and expenses associated with your investments. Using the cash flow tool is crucial for managing your day-to-day finances. Track your expenses over time to identify areas where you can cut back. With each passing month, review and adjust your budget as needed. Make sure to regularly check in on your financial goals. Personal Capital sends alerts when you're veering off track or if your investments need attention. Consider scheduling a weekly or monthly financial review to stay proactive. Engage with the financial advice feature for tailored insights based on your situation. This can further enhance your understanding of your current financial standing. Lastly, remain consistent and patient as you work towards achieving your financial goals. With Personal Capital, you're well equipped to optimize your finances effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.